What is leadership? Leadership is a process of social influence, which maximizes the efforts of others towards achieving a goal or a specific target. It is the art of motivating a group of people. Leadership skills for key elements of leadership. 1. Vision of a leader. Basically, leading means having a clear vision and sharing it with others. Only when you get to inspire other people, it is possible to share a common goal towards which to direct the dedication and the efforts of the entire team. You need to aim high and your vision must be bold and ambitious. Creating a vision is a little complicated and will need to take your team and define your company 10 years from now. You should be able to dominate your sector. 2. Motivation. A leader must know how to motivate better than anyone else. As a people manager, it is one of their primary functions. A leader channels their coworkers' energy and professional potential through motivation. This is a very important feature of a leader. Leading is not about giving orders. You need to let your team talk, listen, and understand what they need. Ask them questions to create a perfect environment for each one of your team. 3. Empathy. Emotional intelligence is one of the best leadership qualities. It is the ability to put yourself in the place of others, understanding their concerns and solve their problems. Leaders can empathize with customers and members of their teams because they know all the secrets of their business. Empathy is the way to inspire and establish links that will ultimately lead to success. 4. Creativity. Creativity is directly associated with leadership. If you don't have any creativity, then you are not eligible to be a leader. Good leaders are able to create a positive environment, and that will encourage their team members to develop their imagination and skills so that they can contribute to the common vision of the company. If you want to be a successful leader, then you have to be creative and respect the creativity of other people. You have to learn from your surroundings. 5. Serving as a leader. Group members must have support from their leader, so you have to be present whenever they need you. You should always present at the service of your team members. The tools they needed for their jobs must be available to them. Always appreciate those who are paying attention in order to correct their bad habits. 6. Taking risks. A leader is the one responsible for taking risks that others are not willing to take. You should let your team members make the decision, and if they make a mistake, then you must have the courage to rectify, assume their guilt, and take the right path without blaming it on the team members. Also, risk-taking is an intrinsically human trait and plays a major part in the life of leaders. 7. Team building. True leadership is all about working together in a team to reach a common goal. People management is one of the toughest tasks faced by leaders. A positive attitude is very essential for a good leader. Trusting your team members always brings the best result. Leaders always take responsibility when something is wrong and reward the group for success. 8. Trustworthiness. You are not a good leader if your team members are uncomfortable or unwilling to approach you. It will break the trust between the leader and their teammate. When employees believe in their leader's honesty, it is beneficial for the sincerity and responsibility of the workplace. A trustworthy leader is far better than an effective leader. 9. Communication. A leader is a person who inspires positive, incremental change by empowering their team members to work toward common objectives. And the most powerful tool for doing so is communication. Effective communication is very essential to gain trust and align efforts in the pursuit of goals and stimulate positive changes. When communication is lacking, it causes relationships to suffer and ultimately creating barriers that can hinder progress.